Sometimes when you're working with a performance, you'll notice that you would like to tweak the individual patches that are assigned to the tracks in there. You'd want to tweak out those sounds a little bit too, independently from the patches as they are in patch mode. And this is a very handy feature to be able to do this in the Fantom X, because a lot of workstations do not have the ability to change these parameters without going back into patch mode, doing those edits to change the patch, and then going back into performance mode, and that performance reflecting those changes that were made in patch mode. So the Fantom X allows you to do this independently for a few different parameters by using something called an offset. And to get to this offset, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the part view, and then you're going to press F4 to go to the offset page. And from here you can see that you have access to change the cutoff, resonance, attack, and release, and decay of any one of these individual patches that are dialed up in your performance. So if I wanted to change some of the parameters of this bass sound I have on the lower end portion of the keyboard, I could change this value here. And also you have the ability to change the release. And then anytime that you do a write command here, those would be saved with this performance, and they would be independent from the patch as it is stored in patch mode. So that's a very handy feature. Let me go ahead and exit out of this. I want to point out to you as well that if you see down here on the bottom, there's the knob graphic representation here with a cutoff, resonance, attack, and release, and those pertain to those parameters that are assigned to the individual control knobs to the left of the screen. If I play this bass sound again as I adjust these parameters, you'll hear those changes as well. And anytime you want to access the different patches, all you're going to do is arrow or key down here to say track 2, and now I'm controlling this range of sounds. So any one of these cutoff and resonance controls will pertain to that particular patch in performance mode. So again, you can quickly access and change some of the cutoff, resonance, attack, and release of the individual patches that are assigned to the different tracks in performance mode independently from patch mode.